Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to open up PowerShell on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method to open up PowerShell, just click only on a search menu and type PowerShell and then click mo lang dito yung open. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito na na-open na yung PowerShell. Okay, so you can also open up through taskbar. So dito sa taskbar, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung task manager. And then dito lang sa taas, makikita mo dito yung run new task, i-click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong create new task and then dito lang sa box, ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung PowerShell. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then ito na siya. So na-open na ulit yung PowerShell. Alright, so you can also open up through the run dialog. So ang gagawin natin, dito lang sa ating keyboard, press mo lang yung Windows logo plus letter R. Pagsabayin yan. And then pop up itong kanyang run. And then dito lang sa box, ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung PowerShell. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. Ayan. So, makikita mo na dito na na-open na yung PowerShell. Also, you can open up through on File Explorer. So, dito lang sa search menu and then type mo lang dito yung File Explorer. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito lang sa search bar dito sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung PowerShell. And then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan, so makikita mo na na-open na yung PowerShell. Okay, so you can also open up through command line or command prompt. So dito sa search menu, click mo lang yan and then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and then select mo lang dito yung open. And then next step ay kailangan lang mo lang i-type yung PowerShell and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan, so na-open na itong ating PowerShell. Alright, so and hope I was able to help you out on how to open up PowerShell in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.